Custom shapes can be used to great effect in Photoshop CS6 as well as CS5, CS4, etc. I'm going to be using some custom shapes from Graphicxtras.com. They're letter designs, H letter designs. Find the pack on their website. Now, just going to go over to the custom shape palette. Now, if you want to select that, just go to the custom shape tool here and then custom shape palette here. I'm going to select this one. The color is here, so I'm just going to select the color. I'm just going to go for a red design. Just quickly apply that. There's the red design. Just going to now go over to the selection tool. Just selection of that. That's just that defines the pattern. Now I'm just going to go to the edit, define pattern command, pattern 9. Right, I can obviously give it a different name if I wish, but I'm just going to click OK now. Quickly get rid of that, deselect, fill that with whites. Okay, now I prefer personally the layer command for the layer, new fill layer pattern. I'm just going to, so it comes up with this dialog, gives you an opportunity to enter a name. So click OK. And obviously other patterns are in the selection here. They're also from Graphicxtras.com. Just going to select that one, the H design. Now, one good thing about the patterns, and of course, as the custom shapes are vector designs, you can actually create really small sort of letter designs, or you can create absolutely huge ones. Of course, you can also combine different designs as well. So I'm just now just going to change the scale, just reduce that down. Always wish that the slider was a bit more, obviously the range would be nice. Sometimes it's easier just to enter the value. So I'm just going to put 25 and there, and then of course you can move the design around just by dragging the design there. Click OK, and if you go to the layer palette, you will actually see the thing there. So that's basically the quick way of using the custom shapes. And I'm just going to go and quickly show you another one. Flatten design, just quickly fill again, fill, just get rid of that, and just going to apply another shape. So I'm just going to create a slightly more complicated pattern design. Just going to select that one, maybe have a different colour, and now go over to the tool there, select that. And now you can go to the edit, define pattern. Okay, get rid of that, deselect, fill, get rid of that layer, fill pattern, and now you've got that design. Of course, with layers you can actually also use the blending modes to actually blend the, so you can create maybe multiple designs which you can then layer as well as position to get rid of some of the empty space if you wish. Again, I'm just going to reduce the size down, and that's it. So, right, flatten the image. Now, with the custom shape tool, you can create thousands and thousands of designs. There's also with the Graphicxtras.com custom shapes, there's many different designs you can select. So obviously you don't just have to use ones, you can actually use those. You can also, like I say, vary the colour. You can apply effects to create different designs as well. So there's like an infinite way of creating patterns which can be used for backgrounds, overlays, or whatever, as well as with text effects as well if you wish.